What's up, YouTube? We back again, another reaction. Airplay Beats, La and Chi. And today we got Grand Funk Railroad, Feelin Alright. You ready?
Yeah, look, the album cover crazy. What's the name of that sound? I love that sound.
Forgot the name of it.
Seems I got to have a change in scene, 'cause every night I have the strangest dreams, imprisoned by the way things used to be, yeah. Left here on my own, or so it seems. I got to leave before I start to scream, 'cause somebody locked the door and took the key. Feeling alright, I'm not feeling too good myself. Feeling alright, I'm not feeling too good myself.
The Jacksons did a version of this.
I know, that's what I was about to say.
The Jacksons killed. They enjoyed too.
The Michael dancing on this is what I remember. But this, but
I like their rendition too.
that's a banger.
Yeah, because they made it their own. Because I didn't recognize it at first.
Oh, they did it after?
Oh, is this their song? I thought it was a.
I don't know. I
thought
have
it
no
was,
idea.
I think a lot of people have done this song.
Is that what it is?
I think so.
I like the way they're going.
Yeah.
I like that guitar is humming.
Yes,
I like the way it's going.
Baby, you sure took me on one big ride, and even now I sit and wonder why, that when I think of you I start to cry. I know I can't get upset and I must keep dry. I got to stop believing in all your lies, 'cause I got too much to do before I die. Feeling alright, I'm not feeling too good myself. I'm feeling alright, I'm not feeling too good myself. Oh, oh, oh.
'71, so
That was
it
fire.
was. I'm wondering, are they the originators of that one
I
or
can't
not?
answer that, but
But
damn, that was fire.
that was
Probably
I
though.
don't know, but that was a.
71 is early.
I love that song though.
I do too. I loved everything about that.
Mm-hmm.
That bass line was cooking the whole
All right.
and the hook too.
Not
Feeling
feeling
it
it
good like
myself.
man. If
That was a nice
I don't
groove.
even understand how you don't dance like
Nah, you got to.
you can't sit on
And
the
you know,
wall on
bro,
that
with the
one.
guitar in the shows, Randy Macho Man
No, I'm
Savage, you know he was going
I was
crazy.
thinking that, but I was thinking about the lead singer.
That's what I'm talking about. Randy Macho Man Savage. He wears the
Oh yeah.
the things around his.
Oh, that's who you're talking about.
Yeah, the guitar player, the drummer. You know he was.
And the bass player, he goes
Oh,
crazy too.
He was.
Cool. He with the fro and
He
go
lays
crazy.
in the back though. He doesn't really get out in the front too much.
Man, he be back there dancing.
If it's really cooking, he'll move a little bit, but it's the guitars though.
That was
a
a
banger.
classic record right there for sure.
Good one.
I still do want to know who came first, them or the Jacksons, because I know the song. from
Or
the
who
Jacksons.
wrote it? You feel me?
Or who
Say
wrote it.
Dave Mason. Is that one?
Or who wrote it?
Yeah.
Or who wrote it?
But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and we up out of here.